So this client brought this laptop that has it is charging, but it refuses to power in. So while you are pressing the power button, it doesn't. So very quick one before we dive into how I was able to successfully repair the power button. I want you all to please subscribe to my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/at ADOT Baba, ADOT. Now, or you can search for ADOT Technology Consult. ADOT is spelled ADOT, then Technology and Consult. So I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel while we dive into how I was able to resolve this repair successfully. Once again, I welcome you to this unique channel where I was able to repair how I successfully repaired this thing. Let's watch this full video. Now, so the customer they bring the system come, so I can't dey try on am to see wetin dey happen to am. I don't even forget to put the charger safe. Okay, I can't go carry charger, plug for the charger. When I plug the charger, I can't see e go first on white light before e go on yellow light to show say the thing don dey increase percentage. So I can't dey press the power button, but I notice say the thing no respond. If for something like this, person fit think say na motherboard, but as per say no be today I dey resolve this kind thing, so we go as the thing dey be, we understand say this thing no be motherboard problem, because this kind system no dey easily to dey spoil like so. Moreover, the client, after we ask the client some questions, say wetin you dey use your system do, you say no dey use am do any something, you dey use gen charger, he say he no dey use gen charger. He just tell me say na the two gen dey always press the power button well. So I just say the problem fit come from the power button. So I comot the bolt. I don comot the bolt. As I come comot the bolt, I come dey open am. As I dey open am, I notice say the keyboard dey on top. Na inside the keyboard even dey inside sef. So and the keyboard na the flex I dey try comot. The keyboard flex I don comot am. Even the mouse flex I comot am together. So I come say make I even button the power flex, make I just lose the power flex, so that if I lose am I will check maybe the thing good. So immediately I comot am, I just notice say okay, I can't even put charger on top, can't try to dey on am again, make I test the power flex. Maybe the button wey dey outside and the flex inside, maybe dem no dey contact. I know they contact together, maybe they know they join body together. I can't say okay, make I still test am. So I can't dey test am. As I dey test am, I can't notice say the thing no respond. So I can't say okay, make I even comot the board by itself, the power board self, make I comot am from the connect, from the flex. As I come comot am, check am. why this thing on